Good morning everyone. Let's start with Om Bhuvasva. Om Bhuvasvaha Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimani Yo Yo Na Prachodayat. Let's do English prayer with me. Dear God, in your strong hands, I place my life today, choosing to depend on you to light and guide my way. Once again, dear God, in your strong hands, I place my life today, choosing to depend on you to light and guide my way. Thank you. Before we do blanks, let's read sight words. The, he, we are using this for what? He, at, but, it is for reason, but, there, of, was, past tense, was, be, not, use, we use anything, this one, use, and, if we are talking with two things, we are using this and, for, this, if the thing is near to you, we use this, what, if we are asking someone, what is your name, what is that, we are using this, what, on, if the thing is on, किसके ऊपर होती है, on, we are using this, and vowel consonant vowels के आगे हम लगाते हैं and have means हमारे पास होना, have, I have, all, if we are talking with all the people, all, each, two, are, बहुत सारे जब होते हैं, we are using this are, from, if we are talking for that, I am from that country, कहीं से होते हैं, from, where, past tense, which means कोई चीज के लिए हम बोलते हैं, which things, which, in, if the thing is inside, in, as, or, either or, option होता है, then we are using this or, we, if we are talking with all them, we are using this we, she, we are using this for girl, she, is, with, if we are with someone, with, किसी के साथ, with, one, when, means कब, when, do, means करना, do, once again we will read this, the, he, at, but, there, of, was, be, not, use, and, for, She is with one when do. We are doing blanks. We have to read. Here are some sentences. We have to read sentence. It is related to with blanks. Let's read sentence with blanks. हमने जो blanks अभी सीखे हैं, read किया है, that blanks I use in this sentence. We have to find it. Look at first one. Tom is hot. Tom is hot and crying. Tom is hot and crying. Here, where is the blank? Crow, crow, crow. Crying, crow blank. In the next sentence, the king has a crown. The king has a crown. Crown, crow, crow blank, crow. We saw a crab at the beach. We saw a crab at the beach. Crab, crow blank, crow, crow, crab, crow, crow, crab. The baby is in the crib. The baby is in the crib. Crow blank here. Once again, crow blank. I cracked the egg. I cracked the egg. Crow. Crow blank. Crow. I have a pet snake. Snug, snug, snake. Snug, snug, snake. I will snip the paper. I will snip this paper. Snug, snug, snip. Snug, snug, snip. Once again, we read the sentence. Tom is hot and crying. Crack, crack, crying. The king has a crown. Crack, crack, crown. We saw a crab and the beach. At the beach. We saw a crab at the beach. Crab, crab, crab. The baby is in the crib. Crab, crab, crib. I cracked the egg. I cracked the egg. I have a pet snake. I have a pet snake. I will snip this paper. I will snip this paper. Snug, snug, snip. Here are some flashcards of blanks. Let's read with me. Present. Present. Slow, slow. Slow. Scarf. Scarf. Broom. Broom. Frog. Frog. Fruit. Fruit. First two letter is blank. Drum. Grass. Drumstick. Flower. flag, flag. Drop, drop. Frog, frog. Block, block. Cheek. Clap, clap. Pram. Clock. Plum. Crab. Cry. Swim. Sweets. Scooter. In Zoom Phoning, page number 35, 36 and 37. This is your classwork and homework. Reading practice, you have to do it at home. Let's do it now. Two sound together make new sound. Two sound together make new sound. K plus H. Ch, cheese. Cheese. Cherry. Cherry. Cheetah. Cheetah. Chocolate. Chocolate. Chain. 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 Children. Here you saw the first two letter is blank. Cheese. Cherry. Cheetah. Chocolate. Chain. Children. In the next page number 36, when two sound together, it make new sound. Two sound together, it make new sound. Plus shell. Shell. Shop. Shape. Shirt. Shark. Sheep. Once again, share. Shop. Shape. Shirt. Shark. Seed. Now on page number 37, when two sound together, it make new sound again. P plus H. Phone. It make new sound. Phone. Phonic. Photo. Pharmacy. Let's read it again. Phone, phonics, photo, pharmacy. See the picture, read the sentence. You have to see the pictures and read the sentence. The mouse shall eat cheese. First two letter is blank. ch, cheese. She got to the photo shop. Here in this line we have two blanks, f and ch. Photo, shop. Now she should sit on a chair. In this line also we have two blanks, should, chair. The child shall eat the red cherry. In this line we have three blanks, child, shall, and cherry. The children will go to the pharmacy. In this line we have two blanks. The children will go to the pharmacy. Children, pharmacy. Children, pharmacy. Let's read with me. The mouse shall eat cheese. She goes to the photo shop. She should sit on a chair. The child shall eat the red cherry. The children will go to the pharmacy. You have to do reading practice from 35 to 37 at home. This is your classwork and homework, both same. Reading practice, you have to do it at home. Also you have to read sight words. So you, on the basis of that, you can make sentence from the sight words. Thank you.